The fashion industry has always been progressive. But when it comes to the environment, few designers even know the footprint of their own lines. That's why the Natural Resources Defense Council is helping designers understand and reduce their environmental impact while improving their bottom line. Through NRDC's program Clean by Design, fashion designers can be trendsetters in protecting the planet.
No one can visit China and not come back with that sort of visceral reaction of how contaminated the air and the water is there. And when you look across sectors, a tremendous amount of the world's manufacturing is going on in China. And well over 50% of the clothing the world wears is made in China. Clean by Design is a program that targets the textile industry. And most people don't think much about the environmental impact of the fashion industry. But when you dye and finish fabric, it's a very heavy use of water, chemicals, and energy. And in fact, there's an expression that you know the color in fashion next season by the color of the rivers in China.
Everyone in the fashion industry is looking into making an effort. But the information we get is very often contradictory.
I think the attitude and the willingness is there. The understanding of how to achieve it is not.
And where I think that the NRDC is so valuable is that they give us guidelines.
It's really creating a very simple, step-by-step recommendations for the industry, what they can do to make a difference.
Clean by Design is such a great idea. I love that it's just 10 points on one piece of paper, and that's an easy way to get through to people.
That's why Clean by Design is something that we should stand behind.
You'd be amazed at how few people in this industry know where their stuff is made. So Clean by Design is calling upon designers, retailers, and brands to get to know their supply chain, to identify their fabric mills, and then to promote these improvements at the factories that they use. There are really 4 key areas that matter the most to environmental impact of the fashion industry: the fibers and dyes that you select, the places that you manufacture your goods, the transportation of the goods across the ocean, and then the consumer care instructions you give to your customers. And Clean by Design provides clear information on the solutions in these areas to make the work as easy and as effective as possible.
The minute I met the representative of NRDC, I immediately knew that that was something that the CFDA wanted to go behind. And we are a family of 356 or something like that designers, and together we can really make a big difference.
You need the leaders of the industry to take an important role and to stand up and say, listen, we all need to do this together.
For me, you only live once, and what is it that you leave behind as a business person? Is it just sort of some great handbags and a nice pair of shoes, or is it actually that and a conscious business?